This is a Probe Christmas tree smoke alarm from the 80s. As you can see, it is still in the box. Of course, I've taken it out to test it. It's from 1984. It's pretty interesting. Let's open it. Now, I have already gone ahead and attached a little hook to it so I can hang it, because it's not really an ornament without being able to be hung. What I find most interesting about this smoke alarm is the fact that its ionization with how small it is. But let's get this open. Pull the actual alarm out. You can see. Don't mind the constant reflection this thing has. This thing is very shiny. You get your test button here. Yes, this thing does have a test button. You got the horn in there, the piezoelectric horn. And then this is how you get it open to change the battery or put a battery in. So you sort of turn this thing. It's kind of tricky, actually, to do with one hand. I mean, as it should, because it's supposed to be a two-hand job. Just remove the hook and set the camera down for a moment. Simply twist, and the cover comes off. And there is the 9-volt battery. So I'll go ahead and plug the battery in. I'll try to do it with one hand so I can actually show that being done. It's a lot easier said than done though. But might beep, because I know it's beeped in the past. Looks like I slid the battery forward. Been doing that. There. That's the battery connected, I think. No, it wasn't fully connected, but now it is. Now next, just gonna reinstall this. And now, let's test it. Sounds in typical 4/6 patterning for 1984 alarm. But yeah, it's just a little cool novelty. I got this for Christmas and I'm pretty happy with it.